2018 Toyota Camry. Water pump is failing on them, so they switched for the electric water pump. It goes with the thermostat right there too. Here's a new one. They got a PO code, forgot what it was. I'll put it down on the description. Here's a Toyota part. Here's a part number, got it from Toyota itself. Part number is there. It comes with pretty much the whole housing. Water pump itself, the whole housing. Thermostat goes sitting here. They'll sell you the gaskets, 2 gaskets, and that's about it. Pretty easy, straightforward job. It's not as easy as it was before, where you just take out the pulley, take out the pump, and that's it. Pretty much the same steps, but it's now electric without a pulley. Do have removed the alternator on this one, not like the one before where you just take out the pulley and the water pump and that's it. This one you do have to remove the alternator to get to those bolts right there. The 1, 2, 3, and there should be one in there if I'm not mistaken. Yep, pretty much straightforward, guys.